How to stake using BNB coins, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with staking using the BNB coins. So let's get into it. Now, to get started with staking using BNB coins, you need to be on a marketplace, or even if you just have a wallet, you can stake on multiple different platforms. I will be discussing BNB staking on a few different platforms and different ways that you can get started, the different APYs that you're going to get, platform or each individual platform, how much their pools pay out, how much their staking funds are. So let's get into it. Now, if you're someone that wants to stake using their Trust Wallet or using their phone, then I would recommend go with Trust Wallet because it has an amazing BNB staking platform. It has some amazing validators, and it's one of the best platforms for, phone staking if you don't want to do this on your laptop or computer. If you just want to stake your BNB using your phone on your Trust Wallet, then this is definitely the platform for you. They have an average of 11% APR currently, and it is one of the leading platforms for crypto market staking. So for those people, I do have a tutorial already on how to get started with Trust Wallet, and check that out for more details on that. Now, if you're someone that wants to stake using Binance or using Stader, Pancake Swap, or any other platform, simply head on over to your market exchange. Let's say first off, we want to cover up on how to stake using the Binance platform. So if you want to stake BNB, how do you do it? Well, simply log on to your account. I already have detailed videos on how you can create Binance accounts and how to deposit money. After that, you're simply going to go into the earn section and you're going to click on BNB World. So Binance already has a separate platform called the BNB World where it's one click to earn multi-benefits with BNB. And you can see the estimated APR for BNB World is around 0.35%, which is actually a very realistic BNB. And to get started, all you have to do is you can see on the left side of your screen, you have your staked BNB, and you can simply click buy BNB to stake or join launch pool, and you can simply click on stake over here and enter the amount of BNB you want to stake. So let's say I want to stake 10 BNB, then you're going to agree to the terms of service, click on confirm over here. So you're just going to click on confirm and then you'll be led to the terms of service, and then you're just going to agree to that and you will be able to stake on Binance. It's very simple and easy. In terms of the rewards pool, currently the flexible rewards are around at 0.35%. Then you have the launch pool rewards. You also have other rewards as well. And BNB powers the entire Binance ecosystem, so that is why the BNB World is a lot more beneficial than a lot of people think it is. A lot of people go into the Binance Earn and go into Simple Earn or go into Binance Earn, and they feel like, oh, I don't know, this is not as profitable. I want something that is specifically for the BNB token. Well, if you actually go into the Simple Earn section, you can get a higher APR as well. So you can lock in your currency. It's very much like staking. You can go and search for BNB. You will have the BNB token, and then you can choose the number of days that you want to stake for. So it could be 30, 60, 90, or 120 days, and you can just click on subscribe over here, enter the subscription amount. They will also show you the available quota. So for each individual package, for each individual number of days, for 30 days, the BNB quota 30,000 BNB. For 60 days, it's 2,000 BNB. 90 days is currently sold out, and 120 days has a 0.5 BNB quota available. So you can go on ahead and stake however much you want on the Simple Earn and the available quota limit, and then you also have a minimum limit. Just enter that, and you need to make sure that the BNB that you are staking using this is BNB that you have on the side, so it's extra BNB. You don't need it immediately, because if you need that immediate BNB, you will not be able to withdraw it because it will be locked for those number of days. So you can see the value date and the interest end date, and then the redemption date. So the redemption date is the actual time that you will be able to regain access to your BNB. So make sure you are able to hold your money till the interest end date without having to spend it or transfer it or withdraw it. Now, other than that, there are other ways you can stake your BNB as well. You also have bnbchain.org. So you can just go on to bnbchain.org and go into their staking system. They have a bunch of different validators. They have bonded tokens, and they have some basic validators that they provide info on. And a lot of people are concerned about the validators that they're picking. So this platform is very open, and it makes it a lot easier for you to be able to see the validators that you're working with. You're just going to click on Wallet Connect, or you can connect your Binance Chain wallet. Click on over here, and it will connect to your Binance Chain wallet as long as you have the extension, and then you can go on ahead and start staking BNB tokens on the BNB chain. So that is how simple and easy it is to stake over here. Now there are third-party platforms such as Stater. So Stater is a multi-chain liquidity staking platform, and you can click on start staking over here. You can choose the token that you want to stake, and this will just open up the BNB staking of Stater Labs, and then you can see the APYs that they are giving, the Stater TVL, and the amount of token you want to stake. You're simply going to click on connect wallet. You're going to accept the terms of service, and then you can choose any one of these wallets, whatever wallet that you are using. If you don't have a wallet that is present over here, you can simply create one and then transfer your BNB over there, and from there you're just going to select that. Let's say I want to continue with MetaMask, and I will click on next and connect, and now that my MetaMask is connected, I can just enter the BNB I want to stake. You also have unstake options and withdrawal options as well on the BNB Stater Labs staking platform. You also have platforms like Pancake Swap, which allow you to earn using liquidity farms and pools, and you can find BNB and cake combos over here as well. And their liquidity is a lot higher. They have quite a large multiplier effect as well. So if you want to go on ahead with liquidity farming and use liquid pool to earn money, you can also do that as well. However, staking I think would be better on the Stater platform or going directly with BNB Chain or Binance, because these are a bit more reliable than going with liquidity pools and a little lower risk in terms of just the safety or the general security of your BNB tokens. Now, in this way, you can go on ahead and stake your tokens, but you need to know a few things before you get into staking. First off, you have the BNBX, and you also have DeFi staking as well. DeFi staking can be done in the form of combo tokens, and you also have yield optimizers. You can also do lending and borrowing. You can become a supplier and also do leverage farming. Whenever you introduce leverage into your trades, make sure you understand there are risks for leverage as well. So make sure that you keep that in mind before you get into leverage staking or leverage yield farming. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.